Hello and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. And today I will guide you to the image swingers, which is one of the most customer attractive part on any website page. Okay, after dragging this element in your page, you can see various options that appear right there. Choose a photo you want to appear on the website by choosing from the basic free image or upload from your device. For example, after choose an image, we can customize its look using the toolbar on the right to Content, Design, and Advanced section. In the Content section, there will be crop size to adjust the photo, and then the connected link to the photo. Let's move to the design section one here. We have some customers options like element with the width and the height. Image fish for the font, and the hover drag with opacity, border radius, and animation. So this is the end of my video, and remember to turn on your notification so that you won't miss any interesting introduction or tutorial video from Beae. Thank you.